Welcome, 3D modeling enthusiasts and heavy-duty truck lovers. Today, we're excited to present a true digital beast, the Ford L9000 Tandem dump truck. This isn't just a 3D model. It's a meticulous and passionate recreation and construction icon, designed to capture the essence and power of this legendary truck. We've invested countless hours into every detail, creating 6 distinct versions of the hood and headlights to help this Ford L9000 adapt to the different eras of its long history. Every element has been carefully modeled to offer unmatched authenticity. The proprietary Ford front suspension has been faithfully replicated, adding an extra touch of realism. Optimized and modular for your projects. For those seeking a versatile 3D asset, modularity was our priority. With a phase count of 361,101, this model strikes a perfect balance between detail and performance. The dump bed is in its own folder, and every part of the truck, from the wheels to the chassis, is also separated. This means that if you only need the chassis or want to customize each component, this model gives you total freedom. Additionally, every mesh is separated by materials, making it simple and efficient to edit if you want to convert it into a mod for a game. The doors and steering wheel are organized with empties in Blender, which greatly facilitates animation. The rims and wheels are perfectly aligned on the X and Y axis for smooth and precise rotation. Realism with PBR materials and availability. While it's a classic truck, we've used the most modern techniques. Inside, you'll find Unaged PBR, physically based rendering, materials for elements like the carpets, leather seats, and door fabric. This gives a contemporary touch of realism that highlights the quality of every texture. This Ford L9000 Tandem dump truck 3D model is an essential digital collector's item for your renders, animations, or construction simulations. It's perfect for 3D artists, game developers, or any fan of classic trucks. You can find this incredible model on RenderHub, CG Trader, and Super G Hive. Don't miss the opportunity to add this masterpiece to your 3D asset library. Remember, we haven't modeled any logos or brand names to respect copyrights. We hope you enjoy this detailed look at our Ford L9000. What other heavy-duty truck would you like to see modeled with this level of detail? Let us know in the comments.